Let's read long O words with Olivia.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Learn to Read with Olivia. I'm so happy you're here today. We've learned the long A sound. We've learned the long E sound and the long I sound. Great job, readers! Today, we're learning another special vowel sound. The long O sound. The long O says its name. O, like in nose. Are you ready to read with me? Let's go.
Meet the long O sound.
The long O says O, like when you see something surprising and say, oh. Let's say it together. Oh, great! We can make the long O sound in a few different ways, with magic. E, like, home, with O. A, like, boat, with O. W, like, snow. We'll try each one today. Let's start reading.
Magic E words.
First, let's look at magic E words. Magic E makes the O say its name. O. Let's practice. I'll say the sounds, then we say the word together. Home. Ha. O. Home. We go home at the end of the day. Nose. Na. O. Z. Nose. Touch your nose. Rope. Ra. O. Pa. Rope. Climb the rope. Cone. Ka. O. Na. Cone. Ice cream cone. Yum. Bone. Ba. O. Na. Bone. The dog has a bone. Wonderful reading. The magic E helps the O say O, just like in home and cone. Great job, readers!
OA words.
Next, we have OA. When O and A stand together, they make the long O sound. Let's try some OA words. Boat. Ba. O. Ga. Boat. The boat floats on the water. Goat. Ga. O. Ga. Goat. The goat jumps. Soap. S. O. Pa. Soap. Wash with soap. Coat. Ka. O. Da. Coat. Put on your coat. Road. Ra. O. Da. Road. Cars drive on the road. Amazing! O. A says O, just like in boat and soap. You're doing great!
OW words.
Now, let's look at OW. Sometimes OW makes the O sound like snow. Let's read some OW words together. Snow. S. Na. O. Snow. Snow is cold. grow. G-R-O, grow. Plants grow in the sun. Blow. B-L-O, blow. The wind can blow. Show. Sh-O, show. Time for a show. Slow. S-L-O, slow. The snail is slow.
Read short sentences together.
Let's read some sentences with long O words. I'll read first, then you read with me. I go home. Your turn. The goat is on the road. Great job. Snow will blow. Wonderful. My nose is cold. Perfect. The boat will go slow. You're amazing readers.
Review and goodbye.
Let's remember what we learned today. We learned the long O sound, which says O. We saw it in magic, E, words, home cone, O, A, words, boat, coat, O, W words, snow, grow. You worked so hard and read so well today. Keep practicing your long vowel sounds. You're becoming strong readers. Thank you for reading with me. See you next time on Learn to Read with Olivia.